Hello friends, hope you're doing good. First say this and now see this. Did you find any difference in between these two? And which one seemed more appealing to your eyes? For me personally, this one seemed more eye-catching. Because it has not only included text, but it has also included diagrams, and diagrams help us see ideas more clearly. They turn complex information into clear visuals, making patterns and connections, which makes it easier for you to understand things at a single glance. But the problem is how to make these diagrams fast, free, and without any skills. Well, in the world of AI, there are tons of AI diagram generators that can help you make these diagrams. But the problem is most of those tools are paid, and that's where Diagrimo comes in. It offers 100 free credits every day for you to make diagrams, and these 100 free credits are more than enough for daily usage. So Diagrimo basically is Tenoshare's AI-powered diagram maker that quickly turns ideas into diagrams and infographics such as timeline or flowchart diagrams, fishbone diagrams, and many more. So without further ado, let's dive in and see how to make diagrams using Diagrimo. First of all, go to the official website of Tenoshare's Diagrimo. For that, click on the link in the description. Once inside, you will see this kind of an interface. Here you see a bold text that says turn text into visuals instantly, and that's what we will be doing in today's video. In the template section on the top, you see it has various sorts of templates including fishbone diagram, sales funnel diagram, pyramid diagram, step diagram, etc. You can get a guideline on how to use Diagrimo. You can type, paste, or use AI assistant powered by the latest ChatGPT model to create it for you while brainstorming to generate your diagrams. Then AI diagram creator will generate diagrams, charts, or infographics. After that, you can customize the diagrams based on your needs, and you can collaborate with your team in real time. Finally, you can either share the link to your diagram or simply export it and use it anywhere you want to. For example, in your presentations, reports, social media, research papers, any project, etc. And on Diagrimo, you will find fresh and updated templates that make your work appealing. People are giving it positive reviews as well, as you can find here in the main page. Now let's proceed and make a diagram using Tenoshare's Diagrimo AI tool. Click on Try Diagrimo Free, and then you will need to sign up using email ID. Once logged in, you will get this kind of an interface. It says welcome to Diagrimo, and here it gives a simple step of how you can use Diagrimo to make diagrams. You don't need to read these steps because I will be following those steps and will teach you how you can make diagrams easily. For that, just click on the create option on the left top here, and you will land on the main canvas of AI Diagrimo. Here you see a prompt box which you simply need to type your idea. Let me type something like create a fast editing and publishing process for my YouTube channel. As I said earlier, it is powered by ChatGPT model, so it will do research on its own. I simply type my topic and click generate. In a moment, it will prepare a text for me which I can confirm if it meets my criteria. Let me confirm it now, and then we can edit it manually if we want. Now we can see that I can do the editings here. I can add text, remove text, or rewrite a portion of a text if I want to. For example, here I can add my YouTube channel's name. Once I'm fine with the text, then I can bring my cursor here to the front of my text, and an icon appears which says visualize. Once I click there, then it will prepare a diagram for that portion of my text. It will take a while, and here you see my diagram for this part is ready. I can change the diagram style from the given models on the left here. Let me select this one for now. After selection, I can click on the text and customize it. I can change text opacity, size, font, color, alignment, etc. On the right here, you see options like change style, from where I can change the style of my diagram. Once I click there, I'll get these options on the left, from which I can choose the style. I can also change the canvas background for my diagram. I can click here and select any canvas color I want. Then I have the node option. I can change the number of nodes as well from here. Then here you see the download option. I can download this particular diagram as well. I can delete it as well, and I can reset this diagram by clicking on this option of reset here. After I'm done with making diagram for my first part of the text, then I can click on the same visual icon for each heading of my text, and then select the diagram style based on my visual preference, select the number of nodes, change nodes shape wherever I want to, change text color and canvas background as well. I will continue and do the same for each heading of my text. Here you can see I changed the nodes from 4 to 6, and at the same time my diagram is changing as well. I will quickly make visuals for each portion of my text by simply clicking on the visual icon that pops up whenever I bring my cursor to the left of the text. Once the visuals are done, I can name it as fast editing process for YouTube and then press enter. Once I enter it, it will show me the blank page. Here if I type /, then it will give me these commands which I can use if I want to. It includes paragraph, heading, bullet list, call out, quote, table, etc. And when I press space button here, then it will take me to the AI assistant which I can use to write any additional points if I want to. You can even use this AI assistant feature to rewrite the portions of your text, summarize it, and many more. For example, here I am adding some additional text using AI Assistant. So this is how AI Assistant can be helpful in making diagrams inside Diagrimo. On the left here you see these three dots. Once you click there, then you get the option to add this diagram to your favorite. You can copy the link and share with your teammates to work in real time. You can rename it, move it, and of course delete it if you want to. You can see a plus sign to the right here. You can click there to add a subpage for your diagram. You can give it a name, and that way you can make your work more streamlined. Here you see I've added first and second page for my main diagram. On the right side here you see a smart table of content, using which you can jump to any specific portion of your diagram and edit it if you want. It is one of the best features because it allows you to go to specific places for customized editing rather than scrolling the whole document. Also, if you click the three dots just next to the star on the top, then you can choose any type of font style if you want, and you can also select a font size from here. You can share it by clicking on this option here, enter the email and click invite. Once everything is done, you can click on this option to export your diagram in PDF format. And this is how the final view looks like. It seems appealing to me and eye-catching. Tenoshare's Diagrimo offers a free version with 100 free credits per day, and in this feature you will have 7-day page history, which means you can restore previous versions of your diagram but only up to 7 days. Also, these diagrams come with watermark. The other plan gives you 10,000 free credits each month, and you can recover your diagrams from 30 days. You can export without watermark, and premium visual templates are accessible in this plan, which is at $6.99 per month if you go for an yearly plan. So that's how you can use Tenoshare's Diagrimo to make diagrams and infographics to make your presentations, reports and research papers more appealing. Diagrimo's AI assistant makes it easier for you to brainstorm ideas and content that you need in your diagrams. And you simply have to type the topic and Diagrimo will do the rest. You can click on the link in the description, try Diagrimo today and let me know in the comment section whether it met your criteria or not. So that's it from Teaching Friend in today's video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos like this. Until next one, goodbye and take care.